Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Arc length problems are fast with the formula. We need the tangent length from negative pi over 4 to positive pi over 4. Start with the standard arc length formula, which is the integral of the square root of 1 plus the derivative squared. This formula works for any smooth function on an interval. Next, we find the derivative of tangent x, which is secant squared x. Now we must square that entire derivative to get secant to the 4th power for our final integral setup. Plugging that into our formula gives the integral of the square root of 1 plus secant to the 4th power. This matches option D. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option D.